Big up Crosses TV.
Process TV.
Baga TV. From a come out, nothing towards Stanley debt. Me I beg you. Now put up nothing towards it because today everybody I get blood clot drop. See, me just reach and me I go the liar me done. You say anything when me cuss and say, put it up about any blood clot blogger. Crosses TV, respect. I always respect you, you give me mad respect. Don't put up nothing about Tani on the page. Cause me I go get cease and disease letter today. Me just land in Florida. In Florida, me have a blood clot liar, my business, me just land. Crosses TV, you're there. Wave darling. Anything pertaining to murder in a Tani, please don't put it up. Cause me I got the liar. Me I go do Caesar and deceased blood clot later. Nobody can call my name with Tani. Tani go do what she do. She not buy out people war and them kill her. No, don't call me blood clot. Let me tell you something. Big pussy Kim. Big pussy. You did that talk about I that come to them. It just call a liar. Me I go down there now. Go get the letter for all of them. Blood clot, all of them. Don't succeed me, I'm going to tell you because I respect you and you respect me. Let me tell you something. Hold on. At the airport, me them, you take time. So the police, them, they all about. My airport, the police, them, they all about. Hold on. Send back a request, mama. Send, oh, you're there.
But there,
Let me
yeah.
tell you something. Yeah, let me tell you something. Me hear say something put up on something about sexy oh. Me no have no bumbo blood clot. No say call me name. Me no have no bumbo blood clot. What's up name? Sexy bumbo clot. You may tell you no? Who no have the boy in England will say my cuss, he not cuss me. He my cuss the person will turn him in a batty man. Me not deal with him. And them say them call or they call blood clot. Or they can beat me. You not going to can blood clot beat me. I want to know. All I know come party blood clot strong and you still can't beat me. You not pay other than bumbo clot people. You not pay other than every day. I mean not other than nobody. Look at who me. Police them up there, so I don't want no nice down the good white people them play. Look if you see me other than. Hi. Look if you see me other than nobody from my blood clot team. And one girl will show me love. Two of them big up yourself, Colleen and Oko. And them know. Let me tell you something. Me not want nobody else. Me now I can't tell nobody say you say nothing because there's nothing more to be said and I'm not doing. Every day you know other than somebody, one of them come grab a deuce my blood clot back way. Me I just tell you no. You stop, you keep on other and who no want other than talk. You lock up blood clot stuff, you think you can lock me up. You think you can blood clot lock me up. All on the plan up, all on the police blood clot informant about now. So you stop calling my name in New York. Stop calling my blood clot name and you come beat me. You did in New York for 2 weeks and you could come for me. You do live, so you run at my shop, and you know me not have you for Instagram. Kim, you are your big pussy man. When man fuck a 90s. Do live, and say you run at my shop. And when me down a Flatbush, them call me. The man in my 90s call me and say you and Brandon pass. And I look in my shop. Me not have you on live. You should send it message to me. You should send the message to me, say you come run at your shop, Kim. And that bad people do. You wait till when you go on a shop, you drive past and you video a shop and say me running. You put video and stop and call me and say what me did and me come. And that tear up on the blood clot, you see. Mr. Brandon and Kim, you should have come. Brandon and Kim, look how much longer they have business to come. Why they never do it and call me and make me know? Why they never do it?
Hey, girl, come off for this. Hey, girl, hey, oh, black that person there. Come off for blood clot this.
Wait, now, who come and talk to that drunk here? How Kim from bad me?
Clot this. Kim,
wait, now.
Kim, wait, now, oh, Kim need to go talk about her big pussy hole. Come off for this. Come off for this. Kim need to go start out her infection. Come off for blood clot this. We don't want you to know about Kim over here, sir. I mean, I don't know what who don't come over here, sir. Kim, dead to it.
Here ya Uku. Me buy bed. The bed when me in my bed. The bed when me have in my house. When me a cost inna. Kim go buy the same bed. The bag when me go from the bag when me wait for on vacation. She go buy the same yellow bag, the paper one. Yesterday me go do me ear. She go do her ear. She go a dinner. Uno come grab a juice my blood clot.
But she go do a thinking gonorrhea. All I gonna post her gonorrhea blood clot.
Wait now. Wait till me reach home. Me there at the airport. And I have to walk come down here, so. And when me there in my yard, I can't make up no nice because I live in a community. I go drive, go and park, When me go home and I go and give it to all, but them I call Odette. I wear the blood clot. Me and Odette cool for years. Never have a problem. Odette can beat me. Odette come with, hey, pussy. You know go call the F, the B, and the I. That's the only blood clot body. Can't beat me America. The F, the B, the I, and the police. You know go call them because you know have how much people on the team already. 47 people now on the team. And me gonna have 7, me have 2. Me and Oko. Call it neutral. Calling on my dog. Big up yourself, call it neutral. No keep on adding on every day. You no keep on blood clot adding on. Keep on adding on pan it, big pussy. You no keep on adding on pan it. Me text her about Kim said it from a sexy hope. Me no have no blood clot WhatsApp name, sexy hope. Everybody go look for my WhatsApp page. Me have a picture on it. They make a WhatsApp with sexy hope. Or say me write up. Me I write a big Tuffy. Me and Tuffy could never be friends. The outfit. Versace. Hold on. Chanel move. Hold on. I don't know if you do it.
Oh, put up the phone on the top of the screen.
Do so?
Yeah. Yeah, hold it like that, yeah. It cute.
Versace skirt and
yeah,
Versace
somebody say it cute.
Versace said me just reach home, me just land. See the jet blue, me just land.
That's right.
So the police department up there. Hey, every day them add on somebody on them team and they can't beat me. I how me bad so to blood clot. When I add on one star blood clot down on the team. When I add on Batman a blood clot England. When I add on Odette now. So Odette can beat me. Big pussy Kim. You lock up Sapphire and talk about Sapphire pull gun for you and gear charge it. The thing you can blood clot lock me up.
Hope somebody say you look good.
Darling, thank you, darling, thank you. The thing you can lock me up. The thing you can blood. I hope when, let me tell you this. I must say 58 people, I hope when retaliation blood clot come back on team, Tuffy and the crew, no blood clot say nothing. Me I want to know. I hope when retaliation come back, you don't have a word to say.
That's right.
All right, me don't talk. When fire, them a play with fire. And when fire burn, them a hope. Una New York now, nothing say. Remember Florida, me live in a gun state and me have 3 guns down here. And you can't blood clot come a Florida. Because me a kill you up on spot. Remember. Me a kiss up, me a tell you, I hope when retaliation take you know. Okay, yeah. I hope when retaliation. Look here. And policeman I walk come. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, back to programming. I say, we not play dirty. And here, I tell everybody, say, people love police. And as soon as we lock up Sapphire and tell lie for the girl. But the girl pull gun pound and all type of things and also no badness. If you not badness, you can lock up the girl. You don't want to fight nobody, but you don't want to lock up people. And Tuffy come talk about me tell her about Odette and me have a page about sexy people. Me not have no blood clot. What's up with no sexy hope? You me tell you no? A Kim and Kim, big pussy, germs the disease whole Kim, where every month she have infection. Monkey blood clot duck and Tuffy where the Batman of England where him name fuck Tuffy father. Him saying fuck Tuffy father a Jamaica. Right? Them wanna figure blood clot we don't call my blood clot him coming up me no know no. Alright, I'm kill Tani. I'm kill blood clot Tani there. Yes, pussy clot. I'm kill Tani. Wanna say I'm kill Tani? Tani go fuck with the blood clot people of America. Tani go fuck with the blood clot girl whenever fuck with her and the girl kill her. Wanna come yo. I police I told me too much police. Hey, me I wait till me reach and me go to the park. Me I wait till me reach home and me go to the park. Why she go fuck with the blood clot girl? Why she go the girl I go after somebody and she jump in a people business and the girl kill her. No, I can put it on me. I'm gonna put it on a big mama pussy. I'm gonna put it on a mama with a leak and stop call up my name. Any blood clot blogger put up hope, Tanny, kill Tanny. We don't talk to blood clot. Me gonna show you who have money and who have pussy today. Me I go home. Uko.
Yeah.
Police them and look everybody I look. Me I go home. And when I reach home, I go in the park. Cause I can't make no noise in my neighborhood.